Hi, and welcome to my next devlog from the Android Heist Game series. This devlog will be much shorter because I had a lot of work, or maybe I'm just a lazy shit, but at least I managed to make a custom shooting, some particle thing, ragdolls, dragging dead bodies and some employees. So let's just start off. Okay, when you choose some action like scream at hostages, it has some range. Because of that, some hostages instantly lay down and the others don't. So I was working on this particle which shows you range of your actions or shooting loudness. Some of these particles are able to go through the walls, but it depends on the action or if you are shooting. Okay, this is the result. For me it's looking really weird, but for now it's enough. As the next thing, I made a little timer for shooting people so you can kill hostages by accident. The color of the laser also changes when you are aiming at hostages, and later I will add some radial slider above their heads so you can see when you are gonna shoot. The most interesting thing in this devlog will be ragdolls. Of course, almost every shooting game has some ragdolls. In my game all characters are controlled by animations, and I could use animations for that, but I also wanted to drag dead bodies like in Hitman, and for that I need ragdolls. So if you kill someone in a bad spot, you can drag him somewhere else. Okay, making ragdoll is really easy. You just assign some bones and create the ragdoll. Really easy. Of course I wanted to drag ragdolls, so I downloaded some assets for that, but I'm too lazy to read the documentation, so I will just make my own and the result is awesome. Or maybe not so great, but after a few hours I managed to make these. So he is grabbing him really easy, like he weighs nothing, but after I used crouching animation it seems okay. The last part of this devlog will be employee AI. So employees are almost the same as the person AI, but they are not allowed to leave the building. Instead of calling the police they should touch this button, but for now they just call the police. Every employee is one of these, and there are two types of them, static and dynamic. Static just stays at his place the whole time and dynamic just walk in the building. And this is how the game looks like now. I hope you enjoyed this devlog and now some info about the channel. So far I was making devlogs every 3 weeks because of my job, so I didn't have much time for making my game. Unfortunately, my school begins sometime in September, so I know I won't be able to work on this as much. But I will try my best and I hope I can make at least one devlog in 2 months. Really thanks for hitting around 1.7k subs. I know a lot of you are here because of my gaming shop on Gplay, but I will make some updates after I finish this heist game. If you have any suggestions or better ideas for this game, just leave a comment. I'm posting some progress on my Instagram, so check that out if you are interested. And thanks for watching!